Hey, what's up, guys? Earthquake kills hundreds in Haiti. Mhm. At least 304 people died and hundreds were injured after a major earthquake struck southwestern Haiti on Saturday. The 7.2 magnitude earthquake, which was followed by several aftershocks that made a trembler which was felt as far away as Cuba and Jamaica. Haiti's Civil Protection Service said that the preliminary death toll stood at 304, with at least 1,800 injured and more people unaccounted for. Rescue operations by emergency teams and ordinary citizens had enabled many people to already be recovered from the rubble. At least 949 homes, 7 churches, 2 hotels, and 3 schools had been destroyed. A further 723 homes, 1 prison, 3 health centers, and 7 schools had been damaged, although there was no major damage to port, airport, or telecom infrastructure. Prime Minister Ariel Henry has appealed for help. Henry has also declared a state of emergency that will last for 1 month. He said, and I quote, "I appeal to the spirit of solidarity and commitment to all Haitians in order to come together to face this dramatic situation that we are currently experiencing." End quote. He also extended sympathies to the relatives of the victims of the quake. The earthquake comes just over a month after the assassination of President Jovenel Moïse, who had been ruling by decree, which deepens the country's political turmoil. Meanwhile, swarms of Haitians are facing growing hunger and healthcare services are already overwhelmed by COVID-19. The region had only recently recovered from Hurricane Matthew, which struck in 2016, killing hundreds and causing widespread devastation. Entrepreneur Mark Alain said, and I quote, "This country just never finds a break. It's going to take years to fix things, and we haven't even started." The earthquake that struck Haiti on Saturday morning occurred on the same system of faults as the one that devastated the capital Port-au-Prince in January 2010. Both quakes struck on the east-west fault line at the convergence of 2 tectonic plates, large segments of the Earth's crust that slowly move in relationship to each other. As Haiti reeled from this devastating earthquake, the threat of another natural disaster is looming over the island. Tropical Storm Grace, which formed in the Eastern Caribbean, is on its path towards Haiti, according to the National Hurricane Center. This earthquake could not have come at a worse time for Haiti, which is still recovering from the 7.0 magnitude earthquake in 2010 that killed more than 220,000 people and leveled much of Port-au-Prince.
Ok, Mani. Ça sont des amis qui tombent. Donc après remarquer, dans le cas faut vivre ça passe une image là. Pour OK là. OK, quand ça tombe. Ok, n'a pas signalé qu'il y a plus de monde, il y a plus l'hôpital avec eux qui frappe dans l'occasion ça. Ok, ça sont jeunes. Ça sont jeunes. Ok.
La une minute.
Ok. Élève INDHO, Notre-Dame, mais ça.